Rotem, a realtor with the K Grant Group. First off, I'd like to say happy Halloween. I'm not always dressed like Lucille Ball, but for today. And also it's special because we are in the Phoenix Historic District. This house is actually located in the oldest of the historic districts, the Garfield Historic District. So once you come in, see this 1926 Pyramid Revival home. This one is it's over 1,200 square feet, and they managed to fit in 4 bedrooms. It's a 4-bedroom, 2-bath. Here we have our living area. It's got a wood-burning fireplace. Right up here is the first bedroom, probably the largest of all the bedrooms. All 4 bedrooms do have closets. They've just recently remodeled this house. It's got the ceramic tile wood-like floors. The kitchen has also just been remodeled with granite countertops, marble backsplash, new stainless steel appliances. We've also got the shaker cabinets. Down this hallway here, you will find 2 additional bedrooms. Perfect for kids. Probably couldn't fit more than a twin size, maybe a full size bed in these. The bathrooms also have been newly remodeled. Nice tile showers. Here is the 3rd bedroom, also a bit small, but can definitely fit twin or full. I'll leave this way to see the 4th and final bedroom. Back to the kitchen. Here you have another bathroom, full tub, new tiled shower. And this bedroom is a little bigger than the other 2. You'll probably even fit a queen in here. Now we'll take you out to the backyard. It's got a decent sized yard, about a 1/4 of an acre. Plenty of room for a pool, entertainment area, great space back here. And that will do it for this little 1926 historic home in Phoenix. We'll see you next time.